Hi, today I want to make Japanese traditional green tea here on YouTube. And although I am a Japanese, this is my first experience, so I am on the same level as any one of you. So let's get started. So first we need Japanese matcha powder. And this is a Japanese green tea scooper. You can use any spoon in your house. And I'm gonna take a scoop and a half, and actually there are two types of bowls, and this is kind of like the traditional type, but you can also use any coffee mug you have in your kitchen. So here we go. And usually you will put this in a tea sifter, but since we don't have it, I'm just gonna put it in the mug and smooth the powder out with my spoon to smooth out any lumps in it. And here's some hot water, and just pour the whole thing. And here's a tea whisk, and just mix it. I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to do it, but I'm just gonna do it until it feels right. And I think it's supposed to be foamy on the top, but it seems like it's gonna take a little bit more time, and I'm tired, so I'm just gonna finish it right here and have a sip. Oishii. Oishii desu. And since it's mild and bitter, so I think I need a little snack to go with it. This is a new type of Kit Kat. It's a ball shaped chocolate. Let's have another sip. 美味しい。ごちそうさま。